Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I am going to teach you here in a Revit topic types of curtain glasses. See, we are having three types of curtain glass. One is normal plain glass, one is that is curtain glass, and this is one exterior glassing, and one more it is that here storefront. So let it be, we'll see what is the type of glasses here in design in this part. So if I take an architecture wall here, now you can drop down button here. If you click here, now you can see this one curtain wall, three types of curtain wall. First let it be, I'll take a curtain wall. I'll just take the same thing. You can give an height, how the wall height we are going to give that height. You can give this and you can draw the curtain wall like this. So now if you draw the curtain wall, now see here, if you go to 3D option, I can see in a 3D and in a realistic form also that it is showing in a plane form, right? So here if you wanted to give some grid lines or mullions to this one, then what you can do here, you can select this one as an exterior glassing for the to create a grid lines. We are going to make this one as an, even if you wanted to take in arc also, you can convert in arc also like that. Okay, now you just go to 3D and you can see this one, now it's having a grid line to this one, that is called exterior glassing. So one more glass is there, that is storefront. Storefront is nothing but it's having a mullion along with. So here this wall also, if you want to convert in the arc also, you can convert in arc. Now you can go to 3D here. If you go to 3D option from this, now you can able to see the curtain glasses that mullions is placed here. So it's having a rectangle mullions to this curtain glass. If you want to change the mullion also, you can deselect this one and constant. And if you want to change to radius mullion also, you can change to radius mullion also. Okay, so now here, now next if you want to create a curtain mullions for the plain glass also, what you can do, you can first we have to place a grid on that. If you place a grid wherever you want, you can place one if you want, you can place one, or accept all segment if you want to make in the all segment also for that. So after placing this one, so if you want to provide a mullion to this, so you can select a mullion and you can place mullions in. So if you want to provide a mullion at a time to this each and everything like that, so what you can do here, you can select this one as all grid line and you can make this one as odd grid line. It will get selected to all here. Same thing for the curtain grid also. Already the curtain grid is having a mullion to this one. If you want to place some other mullions also in a horizontal, then you can place a curtain grid. After placing the curtain grid, you can take a mullion and you can place a mullions here. So like that we are going to create a curtain glass. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.